Puro Mobile, another Puro Mobile adventure. We're out here doing something a little bit different today. We're on the Silverado 2016. And you can check this dude out here, iPhone repairs. And what we're going to be doing here is installing this kicker amp. He wants this factory radio to hit a little harder, so it's direct plug and play. So we're going to get to this. So first and foremost, you want to disconnect the negative terminal on the battery. So you got that disconnected in there. It's a 10 millimeter. You got your screen. Slide it off to the side. You're gonna probably these little tabs. There's little tabs behind there. Each corner. Alright, so there's clips all around. We got this off. Just gotta take this connector out. And the face comes off like this, and we're gonna disconnect these two from the face, and then this green one is the one we're gonna be messing with right here. Get some more wire because the factory kicker wire definitely wasn't long enough, so we're running it along the side. The ground sucked too, by the way. Splicing it together. And then we're gonna tap into these since we don't got a harness. So we tapped into this 15 amp fuse. We ran it to the remote. And I had to extend some of these speaker wires. And tops are positive and the bottoms are negative. So this blue and brown and blue wire, this is going to be the left front positive, the bottom, the left front negative. The yellow, right front positive, the bottom, yellow and black, right front negative. The green is the back left door positive. The green and black is the back left door negative. And this light yellow looking color is the back right positive on top. Underneath it is blue, and it's gonna be the back right negative. So it's a good thing we use quick connects. So we got a lot going on here. We basically connected the amp up to the factory, tapped into all the factory base level thing, somewhere around here, and then we get up out of here.
I said, baby, do you
go ahead and cover everything up. Got some metal anchors holding the strap down. Kicker ain't going nowhere. Wires, get this going.